In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Dropbox login on computer. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage your Dropbox accounts efficiently. Let's get started with the first step. Launch Dropbox on your computer. You will see the Dropbox icon, which looks like an open box, usually located in your system tray or menu bar, depending on your operating system. Clicking on this icon opens a small window displaying your current Dropbox status and options. It's essential to launch the application this way, as it ensures that you are using the latest version and all features are available. Once the application is open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, open your main Dropbox folder. You can do this either by clicking on the Dropbox icon again and selecting Open Dropbox Folder, or navigating to the folder directly through your File Explorer. This folder is where all your files are stored and synchronized. By accessing it, you can verify that you are logged in and see your current files and folders. Ensuring everything is in order here is crucial before making any changes to your account settings. Now, click your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the small window. This area represents your account and is where you can access your account settings. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This step is important because it leads you directly to the preferences where you can manage your account login. It's a simple action that opens the door to further adjustments. From there, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. This action takes you to the Preferences window where you can configure various settings related to your Dropbox account. The Preferences window is a central hub for managing your account features, so it is vital to navigate here carefully. You will see several tabs allowing you to adjust different settings. This ensures you have the right controls at your fingertips. Click the Account tab at the top of the Preferences window. This tab specifically focuses on your account details, including your email address and subscription information. Accessing this section is essential for making the necessary changes to your login information. It provides a clear layout of your account settings, making it easier to manage your details efficiently. Next, click the Sign Out button. On some versions, this is labeled Unlink this Dropbox. This action will log you out of your current account. It is an essential step because it clears your current session and prepares the way for signing into a different account. You want to ensure that your previous account is completely disconnected before moving on. After that, confirm the choice if a prompt appears. This confirmation step is crucial as it prevents accidental logouts. You will often see a message asking if you are sure you want to sign out. By confirming, you are ensuring that the changes take effect and that you can proceed with logging into the new account without issues. As soon as you sign out, the Dropbox setup window will automatically pop up on your screen. This window is your gateway to connecting a different Dropbox account. It's designed to guide you through the login process smoothly. Seeing this window is a reassuring sign that you are on the right track and ready to enter your new credentials. Enter the new email address and password for the account you want to switch to. This step is vital for accessing your new Dropbox account. Make sure to double-check your credentials before moving on. Entering the wrong information can lead to login errors, so accuracy is key. Once you have entered your new details, you can proceed confidently. Finally, click Sign In. This action will take you into your new Dropbox account, allowing you access to its files and settings. After clicking, you should see a welcoming message confirming your successful login. This final step connects you to your new account, ensuring your files are ready for use. Choose your sync preferences, such as selecting whether you want your files to be online only or local, and click through the remaining configuration prompts. This choice is important because it determines how your files are stored and accessed on your device. By selecting your preferences, you tailor your Dropbox experience to your needs. Following these steps ensures a smooth transition to your new account.